everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something that is overdue. Today is the day we're finally announcing our giveaway, the opening of our giveaway I should say. So I've done a few giveaways on my page but never on YouTube. So I wanted to share this video with you because it's going to have all the information you need to see how you can enter into this free giveaway. Again, it's absolutely free. Before we get started into the products that are going to be given away, I just want to let you know, I know on my channel I post makeup videos and tutorials and things related to beauty, and I did start this journey last year in the fall, and I'm thankful for my friends and family for supporting me this far. But I know that there are other things in life that are more important. I want you to know personally that my life is not just about makeup. This is not all fun. I know it's not all fun in games and all fun in makeup, but this is my passion. This is what I love to do. So I do like to record the demos and the tutorials. However, in my personal life, it's important to give back not only to your community but to your family and friends when you're able to, and also in this case to my supporters. So with that being said, please do your part in your community and also with your friends and family when you can, and especially with everything going around in the world right now. Sometimes you can't afford to, that's understandable, but just educate yourself and use all the resources available to share and also educate others, because these days are not getting easier and we just want to be able to do our best to help others and help ourselves. Part of helping others is just leaving a legacy behind of being a good role model and a good example, because even though you're not responsible and you don't have to, it's just what's right, and you never know when your last day is here. So you want to make sure that you leave this earth doing something you love, and you leave this earth knowing that you did your best and you were the best version of yourself. Without any further hold-ups, let's announce the giveaway prizes. And again, this is all going to be one prize altogether, one winner. The giveaway opens today. It's Saturday 15th 2020. I know I'm posting this video a little late, but don't worry about that, it still counts. So all you have to do, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and make sure you take a screenshot of that. When you're on my channel and you're subscribed, make sure you take a screenshot of it. So that's for my YouTube side. And then this video that you're watching right now, share it to your Facebook. So make sure you share it, and when you're sharing it, it has to show that it's a public share. Otherwise it won't tell me and it won't count. It will not be an entry. And last but not least, on my Facebook post, comment done and add that screenshot you took of you subscribing. That's it. That's the 3 simple rules. So again, to just make it easy. So to make it simple, I'm just gonna show you. Can I see your YouTube? My hubby's right here. I'll show you on his phone. So you're gonna go to, what's my channel's name, babe?
It should be there on the search, the very top one.
No, I want you to say it.
Shut up.
It's Fabulous Fabi, but he likes to call it Officialist Fabi, so.
Official Fabulous Fabi.
So you know how you go to my channel? So you're gonna see this screen. This screen right here, when you subscribe, it says subscribe. So just take a screenshot of that. Then this video you're watching right now, just hit share to Facebook. And when you're sharing it, make sure it's public before you post. And then come back to my Facebook page and then post this picture and say done. With that, that's one entry, right? Free. You're automatically entered to win. But my drawing is gonna run all the way till next Saturday. So it'll be actually August 22nd. Fun fact, it's my birthday that day, so I'll be excited to announce a winner. If you want more entries, you can share my video to your Facebook every day. So on top of this entry for Saturday, you can do 7 more entries. So you get a total of 8 entries if you share this video on your Facebook on public. So the giveaway entries will close on Saturday, August 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So anything shared after that, it will not count. So Saturday it closes, and I will announce the winner on Sunday. And the winner will be announced around 2 to 3 p.m. So August 23rd, I will announce the winner. And I will put it on my Facebook post. I would reach out to the winner, and I will also announce it on my next video in case you miss it. So stay tuned. Alright, are you ready for the prizes? The prizes are going to be the Berries palette by Juvia's Place. If you don't know the palette, when you open it, it's gonna have pink and berry maroon tones, because obviously it's called the Berries, and it's a very stunning palette. This is what it looks like. It's a very beautiful palette. I'm gonna get you ready for the fall time. You can use this all year round, but just wait and see for the next prices what I'm talking about. I already got the alert today that the package that I ordered is on its way, so it's gonna have all the price details. And included in that, in the prizes, is gonna be the Nomads palette by Juvia's. So you can pair that palette if it's too pink for you, and if the colors are too maroon and too dark, you can pair it with this one, which has neutrals and also mustardy colors, orangey yellow colors, and also some normal everyday wear colors that you can use, which is perfect. I'll insert the image so that you can take a look. I think these two palettes are stunning, and I have multiple Juvia's Place palettes that I use, so I'm sure that you'll love them. Another one of the prices included for this winter is going to be one of my most used drugstore highlighters. So this is by Wet n Wild. It's the loose highlighting powder. Obviously not this one, this is mine. You're gonna get a brand new one of everything, but I'll show you what it looks like, because so you get a lot of product in here, so much product, and a little bit goes a long way. Anytime you see me doing my makeup on my videos, you know I only use a little bit, and it's pretty blinding. So, and my camera needs to focus. I don't know if you can tell, but the swatch is right here. It's right there. You see how blinding it is? Okay, let me try something else. Let me see if it'll work here. So I'm gonna do the swatch. You're gonna get that highlighter included. It's in the shade I'm So Lit. I don't know if I said that already. You're gonna love this highlighter, and it's gonna last you forever and ever, so use it away. Another one of my favorite eyeliners I've been using is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Again, this is my personal one, and you're gonna get a brand new one of everything, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty easy to use. If you haven't seen my tutorials, I have been using this one recently. I switched between this and the NYX one, so I mean, I think you'll love this one too. Alright, so in addition to those products, you're also gonna get a full set of lip liners from nude and natural to dark and deep. So I know they look similar, they all look kind of the same, but they're not. Here, I'll show you swatches from my personal one. I'll start from lightest to darkest. So this one is the nude one. Looks like this. Hoping my camera focuses. It looks like this. And then I'm just gonna do the other ones next to it so I can show you. So the lip liners look like this. It's from lightest to darkest. So you get some nude, natural, and a more maroon lip liner, and I always use these. Again, these are my personal ones I did swatches on, and you're gonna get a brand new one. And you're also gonna get my infamous green eyeliner I used when I did the tutorial of the jewel toned eyeshadow. This is the eyeliner I used, and it's gorgeous. You're gonna get one of those. You're gonna get two concealer pencils. They're like the little chunky jumbo ones, fun size, you know. One is in light and one is in medium, perfect for cleaning up under the brows, any small touch-ups. So that's gonna be included. In total, it's gonna be 12 products that you're gonna be winning. And again, if you share today, Saturday, and you share all the way until Saturday the 22nd, you're gonna get 8 total entries, meaning I'm gonna put your name 8 times into the drawing, and then we're gonna do the recording of whoever is gonna be chosen for the winner. I'm gonna do it online on the random generator. I'm gonna put all the names and entries there, so please share and follow the steps on this video. If you have questions, definitely reach out, comment, let me know, and I'll be here to help, because again, everything is free. You don't have to do anything else. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.